tell myself that the bubblegum wrapper is the sin. A tongue so sweet it can knock me out. What can I do? It tastes so good, every word you say is melting in my mouth. But I'm not gonna stay, that's my flavor. I'll put you away, save for later. You're my Candyland. Eyes on the prize like an animal. I want you to. A body like yours on a sugar rush, need no beauty call. I never thought that one can be something so good. A treat complete with a beautiful smile is all I need. But I'm not gonna stay, that's my flavor. I'll put you away, save for later. You're my Candyland. But I'm not gonna stay, that's my flavor. I'll put you away, save for later. You're my Candyland.
Alright, tonight we're going to be boondocking at a Walmart parking lot. There's not any other RVs here yet, but there is a huge pile of snow that was plowed earlier. So that's fun. We can go out and make snowmen.
That would be a very dirty snowman.
Well, the snowmen are dirty in Indiana. Jody's over here working fastidiously. Yes,
I don't work that way.
I just made up a word.
I know.
But it sounded right?
Well, kind of right.
Yeah. So I went into Walmart a few minutes ago, and they have the variety pack of Monster Ultra Zero Sugar, which is really cool because I've never seen that before. And I like all those flavors. So I'm a happy
Nice.
camper. I'm a happy camper.
But is anyone really ever a happy camper?
I don't know, because they only say that,
Sarcastically.
yeah. Like, oh, he's not a happy camper.
Go check out Jim Gaffigan.
Yeah, those,
Got a whole routine about it.
I know we kind of stole that.
We did. But I just gave him credit, so I didn't steal it.
That's true. And then I got a couple of things I need to taste. Make a little taste test video. I always like the cheddar and jalapeno Cheetos, but they're kind of hard to find sometimes, these guys right here. And now they make the same flavor in a popcorn. So I'm going to try that out and make a little video. And we visited my cousins Dave and Karen last night and had a nice dinner with them. And they made us a bunch of beef jerky. Teriyaki and pepper. And then I also visited this is going to be a separate video, but I also visited the candy factory. And I got some caramel corn. Ozark Mountain caramel corn, that is. I got some nonpareils for me, because Jody don't eat chocolate. I got some burnt peanuts for the both of us. I got some Zots. Remember Zots? Are you a child of the 80s? Come on now. A little, or should I say, a huge pecan log. And more Zots. And they have like a million different flavors of cotton candy. So I thought I'd go kind of safe and get birthday cake. So we're going to try that out. I know, look at all this sugar. Crazy. We're going to be up all night. And of course, last but not least, the piece de resistance. I got a couple flavors of fudge. So we'll check that out in a later video. Let you know how it all was. Bye.